Did you know that trillions of tiny soldiers are fighting battles inside your body right now? And some of them might be losing the war without you even knowing it. That's where probiotics come in, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how these microscopic allies could transform your health. So what exactly are probiotics? Think of them as reinforcements for the good guys already living in your gut. Your body naturally hosts countless microorganisms, but not all of them are helpful. Some can actually harm you. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria and yeast that you can take as supplements or get from certain foods to boost your army of friendly microbes. Here's where it gets exciting. These tiny warriors do some incredible things for your health. First, they help your digestive system run smoothly, keeping things regular and reducing bloating. They also strengthen your immune system by crowding out harmful bacteria before they can cause infections. Some research even suggests they might improve your mood, skin health, and overall inflammation levels. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Just look for labels that say live and active cultures. Supplements are another option, especially if you're targeting specific health concerns. But let's talk about the flip side. While probiotics are generally safe for healthy people, they can occasionally cause temporary digestive upset when you first start taking them. Your gut might need time to adjust, leading to some gas or changes in bowel movements. People with compromised immune systems should definitely consult their doctor first. If this information helped you understand probiotics better, smash that like button and drop a comment about your experience with gut health. Subscribe for more evidence-based health content that actually makes sense. Important disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional, and this video is purely educational. For personalized health advice, always consult your healthcare provider.